Hey guys, welcome back to DeFi Passive Income. And today we are taking a look over Libera Miner. Now, if you know about Libero, it was an auto staking and auto compounding protocol. And this is their miner, that is Libera Miner. Libera is their native token. So this is world's first triple rewards auto compounding miner. So the triple rewards are Libera, BUSD and Libero. So this miner is providing 3% daily APR up to 1095%, and there is a 24 hours compound bonus up to 35% compound bonus by the fifth compound, or a total of 105% for 5 days. And they are doing some really interesting stuff with this daily biggest depositor reward, which we will cover in a minute. There is 3% referral bonus and 7% deposit tax. Now coming over to their miner dashboard. So this miner works on Libra and BUSD LP, and you can create this LP by zapping in, and you will get 3% daily return and up to 300% of your initial investment. So suppose if you deposit $100 into this miner, so you will get $300 in return. So you can 3x your investment with this miner with 3% daily return. So the Libra BUSD LP can be created by the Zap tool, and this is their little gamified section. This is a 24 hours timer, and the wallet which deposits the maximum amount of LP into this miner will receive the top deposit price, which today is $4,148, and yesterday this wallet was the winner of $4,136, and they deposited around 1600 LP into this miner. So this is a really great way to encourage deposits into this miner, and I really like this little gamified section over here. So it is really similar to the EMP detonator. So coming over to the dashboard itself, once you deposit your amount over here, then you will have to follow a 6:1 strategy, which we all know. Compound 6 days a week and take your rewards on the 7th day. Now the daily return is 3%, and your maximum payout will be 300% or 3x. And there is a timer over here, which is, so the 24 hours accumulation cutoff time is the amount of time it will take for your accumulation card to be full of rewards. Once the card is full, it will stop filling until you have taken some action in the game. This is to prevent whales from letting their rewards accumulate for a long time. So basically after 24 hours, you will either have to claim it or compound your rewards. And they are also providing automation with their miner, which you can enable or disable based on your preference. But keep in mind that auto compound fee is 5% for each compound and claim. This is really a quality of life feature, but 5% fees for each compound and claim is really hefty. So guys, this is it. This is the Libera financial miner. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.